Hey crafty friends, this is Tracy. Welcome to another Fake It Then Make It video. Today's fake is watch band dies using just a stitched rectangular square die, 2 circles, and some cardstock. First step, I'm going to take a piece of cardstock and I'm going to use the stitched edge to cut along one side of my cardstock. Then my watch band, I'm going to go with just about under an inch. I'm going to line it up and cut the other side. You don't have to worry about the ends being stitched. You just want the long sides of your watch band to be stitched. Now I've taken a circle die and I've cut a face out of white cardstock, and then I've used 2 dies very close in size to make a frame out of some gold metallic cardstock. Here you can see I've cut 2 additional watch faces, one from square dies and another one using the same circle dies, along with 2 additional watch bands. I'm going to make a masculine card with these, so I'm using some masculine colors here. And all that's really left is to assemble our watch pieces and then kind of decorate them a bit. All I'm doing now is gluing the face frames to the watch faces, and I'm going to put something heavy on them for a minute. And then we will just glue those to our watch bands. To finish the look of a watch face, I've cut one long strip of the same gold metallic cardstock and then cut it into pieces to make the hands of our watch. And here you can see how it's all going to come together. I'm just getting an idea of my layout so I can really proceed with the decorating and the personalization of each watch band. For the blue watch band, I decided I'm going to add some holes using my crop-a-dile. And then I'm just going to glue that watch face to the watch band. For the brown watch band, I have a couple extra strips with some stitching detail that were leftover scraps from when I cut the watch band, and I'm just going to glue those along the long edge of this watch band to give an extra little detail, almost like additional stitching or a piece of leather or something like that. Just thought it was a fun detail to add. Going to get those lined up, trim the ends, and let it sit for a minute. Then I can adhere the watch face onto this band. I'm just gluing the watch faces on the band. You could also use dimensionals. I'm going to add a couple holes to this watch band as well using my crop-a-dile. And then we'll move on to the topmost watch band. This one I've decided I'm going to cut apart, so I'm just using some pencil lines to get an idea of exactly where I want to cut it. And then I'm taking a piece of contrasting blue cardstock with stitching detail. This was scrap left over from cutting the bottommost watch band. I'm just going to glue that on the back side of these watch band pieces. I think it adds a fun little detail. And now we're just going to assemble the entire card. I'm going to use dimensionals to attach my watch band to the card front. First the blue band, then the brown watch band, and then lastly we will attach the topmost watch band, the green band. That one's a little trickier just because it is in separate pieces, and I'm going to attach each piece using dimensionals. So I want to get a good idea of how it's going to come together before I adhere it all to the card. And that is really it as far as this is concerned. Super easy to make our watch band dies just using one stitched rectangular square die and a couple circle or square dies. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. I'm going to be releasing more videos showing you how to get more out of the supplies you already own. And that's our completed card. Do good, be good, and go Bills.